More than a century ago, as America entered a new era of growth and innovation, Armco was founded with a vision to build the infrastructure that would move a nation forward. For generations, our products helped shape roads, waterways, communities, and industries across America, supporting progress from coast to coast. That legacy continues today through ConTech, combining decades of proven performance with innovative solutions for the challenges of tomorrow. From stormwater management and drainage systems to bridges, structures, and critical infrastructure, ConTech delivers solutions that strengthen communities and support economic growth. As America celebrates 250 years of independence, we're proud to continue a tradition rooted in American manufacturing, engineering excellence, and a commitment to building for future generations. For more than 100 years, we've helped build America. And together, we're just getting started.